lot of light refraction here. Angle this up. I'm going to go clockwise from lower left. And then into the center. A ink and gouache drawing I did in 2013. I just had it framed. Music, the melody of which is composed by my late maternal grandfather, who died in 1968. I have this music. Interior of the Tlomackie, great synagogue of Warsaw, which is very famous, had a world-famous library, which was blown up by the Nazis after the ghetto was completely made into rubble. So sometime around late May or early June, the Nazis blew up the synagogue and its world-famous library. And I have this framed in what I call like Seattle's Fry Art Museum style framing, or Metropolitan Museum of Art, New York framing. Very illustrious heavy frame, which I think works splendidly with the drawing, painting. All right, there you have it.
Are you going to be here for a few minutes, Akira?
Yeah, I can be, yes.
Okay, I'm just going to dash next door and get a cup of tea.
Okay, I'll watch your stuff. This is drawn from a black and white photograph of a Polish Jewish gravestone from the book Time of Stones, published by Interpress in Warsaw in, I think, around 1983. Photographs by Monika Krajewska. The heritage from my imagination and her drawing imagery. Just do a close-up here of some of the interior of the sanctuary. Looks like the upper balcony, the women's section there. Dome here, and continuation of the interior dome painting sections kind of through here. All right, there you have it. I'm also posting this in memory not only of my maternal grandfather, but of my mom. It was her father who did the music, which was Yiddish music, and my mom just passed on last week. In the last weekend, born 1919 and passed 2019. She was a little bit over 100 years of age, now of blessed memory. And a great art museum and gallery and ice cream cafe in the sky, Mom. All right, posting this for you in spirit. And your folks, Grandpa Harry, Grandma Sarah.